Great campaign planning starts with strategic timing. It's about delivering your message to the right audience at the right time. And with TikTok reach and frequency buying, you're guaranteed the right time, every time. By planning ahead, you can show up where it matters, when it matters, and ensure predictable results at a set cost. We built reach and frequency buying for the big moments in your marketing calendar, for your product launches, big promotions, and seasonal campaigns, predicting campaign impressions, reach, and average frequency, as well as fixed pricing and impressions, even on key dates. And with Top Feed, you can leverage reach and frequency through a premium placement. Top Feed is the first in-feed ad users are exposed to after Top View, grabbing attention early and delivering higher memorability. To get the most out of your Top Feed, book early, plan long-term, and use different ad solutions in synergy. With the right planning, you'll always show up at the perfect time for your audience.